Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Porsche 911. The 2024 Porsche 911 has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, continuing its legacy as a symbol of automotive excellence. With its iconic design, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 911 remains a benchmark in the luxury sports car segment. Unmatched performance and precision. The 2024 Porsche 911 delivers an exhilarating driving experience across its diverse lineup. The base Carrera model features a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine producing 379 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque, while the Carrera S boosts these figures to 443 horsepower and 390 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even greater thrills, the 911 turbo models are powered by a more potent 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, delivering up to 573 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque in the Turbo S variant. This power translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.6 seconds for the Turbo S, placing it among the fastest production cars. The 911's rear-engine layout and advanced suspension system ensure superb handling and agility, making it a joy to drive on both winding roads and racetracks. Porsche's PDK dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear changes, while the available manual transmission caters to purists who relish the tactile feedback of a classic gear shift. Timeless design and luxurious interior. The 2024 911's design remains true to its heritage, with a sleek, aerodynamic profile and unmistakable round headlights. The car's classic silhouette is complemented by modern touches, such as LED lighting and a wide rear end that enhances its sporty stance. Inside, the 911 features a driver-focused cockpit adorned with high-quality materials, including leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The latest Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system is displayed on a high-resolution touchscreen, providing seamless control over navigation, media, and connectivity. The 911's interior is both comfortable and functional, with supportive seats and an ergonomic layout designed for an engaging driving experience. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Porsche 911 is equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems enhance safety while preserving the 911's dynamic driving character. Conclusion. The 2024 Porsche 911's combination of performance, design, and luxury has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engines, timeless design, and state-of-the-art technology, the 911 continues to set the standard for what a luxury sports car should be. For those who seek a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined, the Porsche 911 remains the definitive choice.